Hey peeps, so we are taking a little stroll. Now we done got back from the little party. It was just calm. It was just him. Nobody had got there as of yet, so I'm thinking they were on CP time. So we stayed for about an hour or two, give or take, and I came on back home. I'm going in the house. I'm gonna make my husband, he wants some sloppy joes and tater tots, baby. That's what he getting. But yeah, come take this walk with me and the husband. Let's see what we can find in the nature on today, y'all. It's about 74 degrees. Perfect. It's the perfect weather for me. Yeah. So we just, yes, baby. You know I love 70s. 71, 72, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. But come take a stroll with us on this good Saturday. Y'all look at the berries. Ooh. Tree spirits. There's some huge trees. Yeah. A tree city.
Or emerald.
Stupid.
All kind of mishands.
Oh. Beautiful.
Hey, right there.
Yep.
I can't believe it.